How Earth was born, before humans. Before dinosaurs. Before even the oceans and mountains. There was chaos. Today, we call it the solar system. But 4.6 billion years ago, it was nothing more than a swirling cloud of gas and dust drifting through space. This cloud, known as the solar nebula, was the remnant of an exploded star, a supernova. Gravity pulled the particles together, spinning faster and faster, until at the center, a new star ignited. That star was our sun. As the sun lit up, leftover rocks, ice, and metal began colliding. Tiny grains stuck together, forming pebbles. Pebbles grew into boulders, and boulders into giant chunks of rock called planetesimals. It was violent. Worlds were being born and destroyed in cosmic crashes. One of these growing worlds was Earth. At first, it was a molten ball of fire, hammered by constant asteroid impacts. Temperatures soared so high that the surface was an ocean of lava. But slowly, gravity shaped it into a sphere. Layers formed, a dense iron core, a mantle of rock, and a crust that would one day hold life. Then came a cataclysm. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized object, scientists call it Theia, slammed into the young Earth. The impact was so massive, it ripped part of Earth into space. The debris gathered, forming our moon. This single event stabilized Earth's tilt, giving us seasons, and possibly making life possible. But Earth was still uninhabitable. Volcanoes choked the skies with carbon dioxide, methane, and steam. There was no oxygen. No oceans yet, but every eruption released water vapor. And as the planet cooled, it began to rain, and it rained. For millions of years. The rain filled basins, carving valleys, creating the first oceans. Now Earth was blue. Comets carrying ice from deep space may have added even more water, turning Earth into the watery world we know today. By 3.8 billion years ago, Earth had oceans, continents, and atmosphere. It was still harsh, but it had all the ingredients for life: minerals, water, heat, and chemistry, somewhere in these early oceans. The spark of life was about to begin. Our planet was not born in peace, but in fire and fury, forged from stardust, battered by collisions, tempered by storms. And yet, out of this chaos, came the only home we know. This is the story of Earth's birth. A cosmic miracle 4.6 billion years in the making.